like any good person, right before you do a project or right during the middle, you realize you're in probably a little over your head for projects. So you want to take a video of this because you never know. This might make you YouTube famous here. So I'm gonna just show you what we're up against. You see this hole? It goes all along here. And next up, we're actually gonna go down underneath this slab here. I did the body lay challenge, you know, where you lay down and you try to do the measurement, how far you need to go. It's about 8 feet. So we've got our work cut out for us. And you might ask, what tools do you have? Well, that's an excellent question. Right now we've got a garden hose, a pressure washer, and about 10 feet of Schedule 40 pipe.
What could go wrong?
What could go wrong? Well, hopefully I'm not up first and I'll be able to film the first spray. Okay, so what we've resorted to right now is we are emptying the water with water bottles that we were drinking as we were so thirsty doing the work. We're pouring it down some 10-foot pole all the way down so that it can go down here. Oh, it even gets better. We used a Lowe's bag to get the water out too, because we didn't have a bucket. So here comes Dan. And he's going to have all our answers for us. And he's going to turn this 3-day project into an hour project.
Yeah. All right. Ready? Action. Okay. It's for future generations. I'm good.
All right. So we're going to tunnel under this concrete. I said, let's just try this and see what happens. Those are famous last words, right?
Yes. Yes.
Well, it's really not going very fast.
Oh, no.
It's not working like as advertised on the Home Depot website.
What? Oh. Saying there's some false advertising there?
This could be an issue.
Oh.
What?
I don't know. What are you saying, Nate?
I already hit a rock. I made it like an inch.
Back it up a minute. Okay.
Oh, nice. Huh. Thunk.
Yeah, we went further. Hey, look at that.
Oh.
I know. You want me to use both hands?
What? Oh yeah, actually, you like how the magic touch, you know?
Here.
Well, this is what defeat looks like. Orange cones up. Hole drilled. I would like to say we accomplished a lot today. We accomplished very little physical work, but a lot of mental work. We now know what we're good at and what we're not good at. And this is one thing that we could use some improvement.